morning, class. So, before we start our discussion for today, let us pray first. So, Kayla, can you lead the prayer? Pray. Okay. So, is anybody is absent for today? One. Very good. So, I have a classroom agreement. First, if you want to answer, just raise your right hand. And then, cooperate when there is an activity. And last but not least, when the teacher is talking in front, keep quiet. Okay, do you understand? Very good. So our lesson for today was about solar system. Can somebody have an idea about solar system? Okay, none? Okay. So solar system is the gravitational bound system of the sun and the object that orbit it. The solar system 4.46 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of a giant interstellar molecular cloud. So, as we said, the solar system is formed 4.6 billion ago. So, as we can see, our universe is so old enough, so we should carefully enhance it with care and love. So, our solar system consists of star, the sun, and everything bound to it by gravity. The planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Dwarf planets such as Pluto, dozens of moons, and millions of asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. Okay, so this consists of our solar system. So we had the 8 planets under definition. So the 8 planets are Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest to the sun. Its orbits around the sun takes 87.97 Earth days. So the shortest of all sun's planet. Venus is the second planet from the sun and it's named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. As the brightest natural object on Earth, the night sky after the moon, Venus can cast shadow and can be visible to the naked eye in a broad daily light. So, number 3 is the Earth, 10th planet from the sun and 5th largest planet in the solar system in terms of size and mass. It is single most outstanding feature is that it's near the surface. So, environments are the only place in the universe known to harbor life. So, Earth is the only planet that people can live, breathe, and. Okay, number 4, Mars is the 4th planet from the sun and the 2nd smallest planet in the solar system. Being larger than only Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war. Number 5, Jupiter is the planet from the sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that all of the other planets in the solar system combined, but slightly less than 1,000 mass of the sun. Next is Saturn. It's the 6th planet from the sun and the 2nd largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times that of Earth. Next, Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun. Its name is reference to Greek god of sky. It has the 3rd largest planetary radius and the 4th largest planetary mass in the solar system. Last but not the least is the Neptune. It's the 8th and farthest known solar planet from the sun. In the solar system, it is the 4th largest planet by diameter, 3rd most massive planet, and the 10th giant planet. So, as you can see, there is 8 planets. So let me ask you some questions. what are the 8 planets we have discussed? Okay, the 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Venus, and Neptune. So now, let's have an activity. I'll group you into 2, then each group should represent why we should value our solar system nowadays. So I'll give you 10 minutes to answer it and present it in front. Each group should be able to do the I'll give you 10 minutes to do the activity. Then after that activity, we have a long quiz. It's not a long quiz, it's a short quiz, I mean. It's only 5 items. Now, let's start your activities. Time's up. Group 1%. Okay, very good. Group 2%. Excellent. Okay, I like your work. So now, get one half sheet of paper. Label it 1 to 5. So, it's a multiple choice. Write the only letter of the correct answer. Okay, number 1. Solar system was formed A. 4.6 billion years ago. B. 4.6 million years ago. C. 4.6 years. And D. 4.6 days. Number 2. What is the first planet in the solar system? Okay. A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Venus. D. Mercury. Number 3. What planet that can harbor life? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Uranus. And D. Venus. Number 4. What is the largest planet in the solar system? A. Uranus. B. Saturn. C. Neptune. And D. Jupiter. Number 5. It is the gravitationally bound system of the Sun and the object that orbit it. A. Earth. B. Solar system. C. Venus. And D. Mars. So time's up. Pass your paper in front and I will check it individually. So as for your assignment, you will choose among 8 planets and draw it. And you can pass it to me tomorrow early in the morning. Okay, that's for today. Thank you for coming.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story.